I'm doing a room decor video, and it is going to be how to get the look of Teddy Duncan from Good Luck Charlie's room. So I will get into the DIYs. So for my first DIY, I made this DIY based on the pictures that Teddy Duncan has hanging on her wall. So what I did is I took canvases from the Dollar Tree, small canvases, and then I painted them a solid background color. So after they were done being painted the solid background color, I took black and white stickers that I had bought off of Amazon, and I just placed them on here. You could also just draw on the canvas with like a black Sharpie, and that would kind of get the look too. After I stuck down the stickers, I did sprayable Mod Podge to make sure there was stay. I usually like the liquid Mod Podge, but I couldn't find it. That's my recommendation. So the second DIY was based off of Teddy Duncan's UK flag pillow that she has on her bed. I got the UK pattern fabric from Amazon, but basically I took the fabric and then I cut it into the shape of the pillow, and then I hot glued it down. I flipped it inside out because that's what you're supposed to do, so when you flip it right side out, it looks like the seam is better. And for the stuffing, I took an old pillow of mine and I just cut it open and used that stuffing. But you could get your own stuffing if you wanted, or you could just make this a pillow cover for a pillow you already have. That would probably be the easiest option. And then I glued shut my pillow after the stuffing was all in there, and it was finished. Okay, so that was the DIYs. Some other ideas that I have on how to get the look of Teddy Duncan's room is I've seen a bunch of pictures of her bed, and most of the time she has a quilt on it. So I would say to put a quilt on your bed. She also has a beanbag chair next to her bed, so I would put like a beanbag chair in your room. And mostly I would just look at the pictures of her room and try to like copy her color scheme, which is just basically like a bunch of bright colors and patterns. Okay, so that is the end of my how to get the look of Teddy Duncan's room. If there's any other TV character's room that you want me to recreate, leave it in the comments below. Watch my other room decor videos because I have a ton of them, and goodbye!